Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know how to put questions in your TikTok video. It's simple. First of all, you need to log in your account into the TikTok app. Or you can simply press on add button and record the video or upload the video. Then simply press the next button. Here you can see the text option. If you want to use the text option, then press on that to write your question. And the other option is that you can simply go on stickers and search for the poll. Simply press on that and then write the question, whatever you want, and then press on done. That's it. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like our video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.